So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'll be taking you guys on an adventure. A co-worker of mine. So it all started with a co-worker of mine. She and a couple of her friends were going to Ocho-Rios. They're visiting the Blue Hole, and I was asking around in the office for ideas, and she said, well, I could tag along. So I thought it would be a good idea to tag along, since I haven't brought you guys anywhere in a while. So yeah, it's back to regular programming now, back to weekly upload. I how much time I say this, but I intend to from now on to post weekly. So people ask me why I'm not post just regular vlogs, because really and truly I'm just a regular guy. So on an average day, not much not going on in my life. It's boring. So when I do get to go somewhere cool, I'm glad to take you guys along. Yeah. If this is your first time on the channel, don't feel free, hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it, and you can watch the previous video them, because watch the last videos. If you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel, just spread the word. So I'll see you guys when we're there. Alright, so it's a vibe. So unfortunately, unfortunately Blue Hole did 2 pack, so we kinda come to this place named Hidden Beauties, and it really and truly it is a hidden beauty. Just a vibe, brother. Like, the place is surreal, brother. How the place is surreal, bro. How quiet it is, and it's like it's very beautiful, and like people really don't know about it.
You can swim, Labu? Watch him! Look at the bed up! Oh, I like the phone.
We are in the shoot there. Yo, brother, is that net we start?
Yeah, man, I know, man. Them know, man. Once them feel it, at that time they start get wine, man. That's what I say. Them start wine a girl. Why want to be current strong? The current strong your free. This man say if you start wine a girl and it get hard, I just straight sex. Just if it get hard, I just straight sex in my free. Sunlight kind of pressurized, but so I understand why me still in the water and everybody come out. See, everybody come out. Why me feel like me if you still in the water? Hey mama, amok. I'm not trust this door. Let's go and feed. Jaja. If me drop. If me drop, I just saw. Brother, this is why really would have wanted the blue hole thing still, but kind of well crowded. And not forget a GoPro, but I got cost way for money. Because what I really want can carry the camera we have currently into the water. I get some good footage here, but you know it stay, man. Money no stay, so you see me so low budget. Yo, let's make sure say wanna like the thing and share the thing and subscribe to the thing, you see it? I want to see if we can reach 100 subs in the next 2 uploads. So after this upload, the next 2 videos, we must can reach 100. What I say? I challenge on me, you see it? I challenge the clan. And to all the people who are always there with me. You know? Thanks for the support. Yeah man, I respect the support. I love the support. I don't necessarily say I do this for fame, but I like create video. I like see how people react to the videos I create, you see it? So it would have mean more, it would have mean a lot to me if more people see it, you see it? But I don't necessarily say a fame thing. Anybody know me know saying it, you know, it's not a fame thing. I just something I enjoy it. Alright, so I wrap up the video now. It was a fun day. I might not catch enough footage, but was mainly focused on enjoying myself, enjoying the day. So, bombard! Alright, so as I say, really and truly we just want to wrap up the video now. Call it a day. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe, and yeah, you can check out the other videos when they're on the channel. You see, check out the other videos, like the thing, share the thing, spread the word, and I'll see you in the next one.
You're not invited, get the fuck out of here. Action ready for the dumping. Fresh like Portland, so we just cast in the boat.